This is a 99.5% high-purity alumina ceramic handling arm, also known as a semiconductor silicon wafer handling fork arm. In the video, the arm undergoes multiple precision grinding processes to achieve an ultra-thin profile with exceptional flatness. High-purity alumina ceramics offer excellent mechanical strength while maintaining a lightweight structure. Additionally, their anti-static properties help prevent wafer contamination from particles during handling and transportation, ensuring optimal performance in semiconductor manufacturing environments. Designed with precise geometries and multiple hole configurations, these ceramic handling arms provide secure connections and stable operation. Shenzhen Haorui Technology specializes in high-precision ceramic component manufacturing, achieving machining tolerances of up to plus or minus 0.01 millimeters. Each batch undergoes rigorous quality inspection and professional packaging to ensure superior product performance and reliability. For high-quality precision ceramic solutions tailored to your needs, feel free to contact us for further discussion.